Okay.
Okay.
Labas.
Labas
Koks tavo vardas?
Labas vakaras.
Labas vakaras.
Draugai Žarovai. This very important background.
Yeah.
Yeah. For interview. Yeah.
Yes.
Labas vakaras. Lietuviškai žmogus.
Žmonės.
Žmonės. O, aš
Koks tavo vardas?
labai myliu each other. So, my favorite food is lietuviškai duona.
Duona.
In Seattle, it's very in Vietnamese shops and names Yums.
Yums?
Duon. Yums. Yeah, it's best.
Yeah.
It's best. Yeah.
Did you introduce yourself? Koks tavo vardas?
Oh, okay.
Koks tavo vardas? What is your name?
My
Mano vardas.
Mano vardas Aleksandras.
Aleksandras.
Litvinovas. Litvinovas, it's same like Lithuania. Litvinovas.
Taip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Litvinovas. Maybe my mother from Lithuania.
What is her name?
Her name is Dana Domininka.
Dominika?
Domininka. My grandmother name is Magdalena Baltras.
Yeah. What's your last name?
Last name Baltras.
Your mother's
Bonzaite.
Bunzaite.
Bonzaite. They from small village is Balberiškis.
Balbieriškis.
Yeah,
Balbieriškis.
Balbieriškis.
Did you went to Lithuania?
It's near Ionava.
Did you go there? You've been there?
Yeah.
Patiko? Patinka?
Yeah, patinka. Yeah. And aš labai myliu, maybe it's not good sentences. Aš labai myliu Lithuania because when I was teenager, every summer I go to fly to Lithuania.
Yeah?
Kauno. Aš like Kauno pilis.
Kauno pilis.
Kauno pilis. Old town in Kauno. And I like Vilnius too. Because I like Gediminas tower, yeah?
Castle, yes. Pilis.
Castle,
Yes.
Pilis, yeah. Gediminas Pilis. Downtown of Vilnius.
Senamiestis.
Namiestis, yeah.
Yeah.
And 10 hours ago I had an interview in my town, Donetsk, about Vilnius.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Did you?
I speak one and a half hours
Wow.
about Vilnius, but I was in Vilnius only 3 hours, but I speak 1.5 hours about Vilnius, about what is a town. It is a great town in the Europe. I like this.